explain about this instruction set, right? The very first thing is run transfer instruction. The first one I will check here. The transfer instructions. So these are the instructions, type of instruction, data transfer instruction basically. Transfer means these are the data either from memory to register or register to memory. That means data can be moved from register to memory or memory to register. Right. And we know that we have in 8085 total 6 general purpose GP means general purpose register. These are B, C, D, E, H, L. B, C, D, E, H, L. Why am I writing these things? B, C, only B and C you can make a pair. D, E you can make a pair. H, L you can make a pair to make some 16-bit operations. So these all are 8-bit register. Again, we have two more 8-bit register A and F. So here you got 6 number of, so 6, here you got 2, 6 plus 2 equals to total 8 number of 8-bit register. Sometimes we need to make a pair between A and F to form a 16-bit operation. That is for stack operation, 16-bit operation. This is being used in stack operation. And two more 16-bit special purpose registers are there. And these are SP and PC. SP and PC, right? Why I am doing all these things? Because whenever we are going to do some kind of operations, you need to know. And memory means nothing but is the memory address or memory location, you can say. Kind of 4 KB, 2 KB or 8 KB or 16 KB chip you can take. Now, for this data transfer instructions, so obviously we are going to take some MOV or MBI also. MBI here within register, register to register, memory to register, register to memory. That means register to register, register to register, register to memory or memory to register. Three things you can do. Register to memory, memory to register. Here. So MOV, suppose if I take A comma B, what does it mean? MOV A comma B. This is your source register, this is your destination register. RDRS. I said earlier, RD means destination register. RS means source register. Right. So that means move A comma B. Here, not cut paste, copy paste operations is going to do. That means the content of move A comma B means the content of B means source register will be moved or copied to destination register or accumulator register. If I say MDR, again move A comma M. So this is a kind of register to register in between data is being transferred between these two register, register to register. Now if I write MOV A comma M, what is happened? M always belongs with memory. I told you each register is memory. So here this is your RS, this is your RD. source register to destination register. So that means here it is not register, actually this is from memory source, these are from source, or I can say simply source to destination. Source to destination. So here memory, so this is from move n means the content of memory location, whatever memory location, that memory location actually denotes each register pair. Then suppose I have a 20538 memory location, and this is for this holding this, I have written 20538 into each register pair. So now the content of this memory location 20538 will be the memory location's content, and that will be moved. Suppose in this memory location I have 07H. So this 07H, it is in this memory location 20528, and that should be moved into accumulator, copy into accumulator. Right. So we got here register, data transfer between register to register, and data transfer from memory to register, register to memory. Similarly, I can say move m, n also. Move m, n. That means this is your source, this is your destination. So now this is, we have taken memory to register, this register to memory. Register to memory. Got it? So MOV m, n means the content of accumulator will be copied to the memory location, and that memory location must be defined by this register, right? So that means in 2058. So again, if I write MBI A, 07H. So here I told this is the data byte. This data byte, actually this is the data byte, somewhere this data byte is located. So the content of data byte is directly, immediately moved into accumulator. So this is all about this data transfer instruction. Mostly we will use MOV and MBI, this data transfer instruction. So for this arithmetic instruction, basically arithmetic instructions, we have 4 number of basic operations, arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So for these things, basically there is no such kind of direct instructions for this division, repetitive, subtraction. We can get this division, repetitive addition, we can get this multiplication. So first we will focus on this addition and subtraction. So addition and subtraction, for this addition we will write add. For this addition we will write add. Now suppose if I write add b is a total remaining and it is having only the opcode itself. That means this is only opcode. So this is only 1 byte instruction. It is a kind of 1 byte instruction. Now add b, what actually happens? Add b means the internal operation a equals to a plus b. Whatever the content already occupied in the accumulator, the content of b, add b, the statement add b means the content of register b means here register b will be added into the accumulator, added with the accumulation. So the inner or internal operation a equals to a plus b, and the result itself temporarily will be holding in the accumulator a equals to a plus b, right? For this subtraction, that is we write ACB. For subtraction. For subtraction we write ACB. Again if I write sub B means the content of B register will be subtracted from the content of accumulator. So here the internal operation will be A equals to A minus B, and the result is also temporarily what is subtracted. So here I